Your car won't start, your key is stuck, or maybe it turns but nothing happens. Sound familiar? If you've been dealing with car ignition problems, especially during those scorching Texas summers, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down what might be going on under your hood and how to handle it the right way. Let's start with the basics. Car ignition issues can show up in a few frustrating ways. Maybe the key won't turn at all, or it turns, but nothing happens. Maybe your dashboard lights up, but the engine stays quiet. In some cases, the car starts, but then quickly stalls. These symptoms are usually your car's way of telling you something's wrong, either with the ignition switch, the key, the cylinder, or even the battery. And in states like Texas, where summer temperatures regularly hit 100 degrees, the heat can seriously affect these components. Metal expands, plastic parts wear faster, and your battery might not have the juice to handle it all. There are a few common reasons for ignition trouble. One of the most frequent? A worn-out key. Over time, keys lose their shape, especially if you're using a duplicate that wasn't cut precisely. Another common issue is with the ignition cylinder itself. Dirt, dust, or worn-out internal parts can keep it from turning properly. In modern vehicles, a faulty transponder chip inside the key can also prevent your car from starting, even if everything else seems fine. And let's not forget your battery. In extreme heat, it can lose charge quickly or suffer from internal corrosion that affects power delivery. So while it might seem like an ignition issue, the real problem could be electrical. Before you call in a professional, there are a few things you can try on your own. First, if you have a spare key, give that one a shot. It might be in better shape than your usual one. Next, check the battery. Do your lights work? Is your horn sounding weak? If so, it could be a low charge or loose connection. You can also try gently wiggling the steering wheel as you turn the key. Sometimes the wheel locks and puts pressure on the ignition cylinder. Whatever you do, don't force the key. That can snap it off inside the cylinder and turn a small repair into a big one. If none of those steps work, it's time to bring in a professional. At Lock & Key, we specialize in ignition diagnostics and repair. Whether your key needs to be reprogrammed, your cylinder needs replacing, or you're just not sure what's wrong, we'll come to you with the tools and experience to fix it fast. Our techs are licensed, trained, and available 24/7, because ignition issues don't always wait for business hours. And with mobile service across the USA, you don't even have to leave your driveway. Don't let ignition problems keep you stranded, especially in the heat. Call Lock & Key or visit our website to schedule service. Stay safe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more security tips. We're here to keep you moving wherever the road takes you.